Hello everyone, good morning. This is Rose Jacobs live from the Kalkine studio in Sydney and you're watching the Early Trades Show. Let's get started with our market open report. The benchmark S&P ASX 200 is 0.5% higher in early trade with the healthcare, financials and technology sectors outperforming. Blue chip bank CBA is up 0.86% with AMP soaring 6.4% on a deal to sell its debt funds management business to ARES Management for $428 million cash. Magellan Financials is also performing today in an interesting way. It also enjoyed another small rally to climb 3.9% to $21.77. Among the fallers is new tech listing SiteMinder. It's down 3.3% to $6.69, but still up 32% since listing at $5.06 per share in November. IPOs, the last listing before the Christmas break is Solis Minerals at 11 a.m. That was this morning. Solis is an explorer with copper prospects in Chile and Peru. The dollar climbed 0.5% to 72.48 US cents. Let's look at some of the newsmakers from today. As mentioned, AMP's private markets business has announced a deal to sell its infrastructure debt platform to New York Stock Exchange listed asset manager ARES Management for $428 million in cash. AMP plans to spin off its private markets business from AMP Limited as part of a strategic review. AMP said the deal will help its private markets business focus on equity, real estate and infrastructure investments. Cash proceeds from the sale will go towards the balance sheet and other capital requirements. Class action lawyers Shine Lawyers have launched an action against ASX-listed E&P Financial Group as the owner of Dixon Advisory and Superannuation Services, as well as Alan Dixon and Christopher Brown. The claim seeks compensation on behalf of group members who were retail clients of Dixon Advisory between April 15, 2011 and December 23, 2021. E&P said it won't make further comment. Its wealth advisory business has around about $24.4 billion in funds. And just scrolling down to next oncoming news. Self-styled enforcer Alan Davidson has succeeded in a court application to amend his defence to a defamation claim launched against him by mining and stock market entrepreneur Tolga Kumova. Justice Michael Lee's decision sets the scene for a bitter courtroom battle that will take both from a Twitter spat to the witness box of the New South Wales Federal Court over allegations Mr Kumova engaged in insider trading, misled the market and provided inside information about ASX-listed New Century Resources' planned acquisition of the Goro nickel mine. Mr Kumova is seeking general and aggravated damages from Mr Davison, claiming he engaged in an ongoing campaign and failed to publish an apology or retraction once informed of factual errors in the matters complained of in June 2020. Rio Tinto plans to pause its lithium project in Western Serbia after a municipality in the west of the country scrapped a plan to allocate land for the mine. Beta News Agency reported on Thursday, quoting the CEO of Rio's Serbian arm. The mining group wants to develop the mine near Loznica in the western Jadar River Valley to extract lithium, a vital ingredient for batteries for electric vehicles, while another product, borates, are used in solar panels and wind turbines. But last week, Loznica's Municipal Assembly scrapped a plan that would allocate land for the project. Beta's report quoted Vesna Prodanovic as saying Rio plans a pause during which it will engage in a public dialogue about the project, which has stirred protests by environmental groups. Well, that's all for now on the early trades. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you for sharing live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. I'm Rose Jacobs signing off for now.